We are going to talk about documentation, and as Vicki pointed out, we have been working with a very large client that has this $11.6 million overpayment request, and now they are lucky enough to be in receipt of another letter from Covent Bridge, who is a UPIC vendor, requesting additional information. We did get permission from them, we're not disclosing who it is, to share some of the absolutely crazy denial reasons that Covent Bridge is using to recoup these funds that have been sent in. I've said this before, pain management is still on the OIG work plan. I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. This particular work plan item just keeps getting pushed out and pushed out and pushed out as far as a termination date goes. So this is the why behind why we're having these conversations and why we continue to have these conversations regularly.